right, we got the pump going. This is Nikki Bro Chef, and I've got Libby DiBiase here of Blue Water Pilates. Thanks for joining me, Lib.
You bet.
Yeah, so we're gonna knock out the next video in the Paleo Express series, and it's called
Kung Paleo, shrimp, and scallops.
So stick around, we'll be right back. Okay guys, this one's gonna go fast. We're gonna start off with, we've got a preheated saute pan over here. I'd like you to pour a little bit of that olive oil in that pan.
Woo! Ooh.
That'll work, that'll work.
Swirl and a
Throw
splash.
that garlic in there. Oh, beautiful. And then right about now, I'm gonna have you add those cashews. Then you're gonna go ahead and stir those up.
I'm on it.
Over here, I'm gonna dice up a green pepper. Keep stirring. Let me know if you see the garlic starting to turn brown. That's all I need to know, okay?
We're brown, we're brown.
We're browning? Okay, so I'm coming in with my peppers right here. Got one red pepper coming in.
Coming in hot. So I learned that you told me that I can have as many peppers as I want for my block.
Yeah, pretty much. You been rocking that or what?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Going with some green onions, scallions.
Smells really good.
Now we got a little organic gluten-free soy sauce, Kamari.
Oh, good.
Just a dash. Boom.
Okay.
There you go. Now check this out. I'm just gonna take over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spin, spin. 1, 2, 3. Onto the pan. Okay.
Okay.
So
Count
nice
it.
and hot. Pan's back down. Then I'm gonna uncover here. Earlier we placed all these on some. Yeah, I mean we peeled and deveined this, then we placed them on the paper towel to dry them.
Okay.
And that'll hopefully help us get a nice sear. So if you want to add some more oil back to the pan,
Okay.
approximately the same amount. Little swirl.
little
Is that more?
extra.
Okay, that's cool.
Okay,
Then we're
good.
gonna salt these. Season side down. Season side down.
Season down.
I'm gonna beat you.
Come on.
Oh, on top?
I don't know. You're
Not
just
double decker tongue.
you're like in my space.
And I want you to season the top lightly like this with salt and pepper.
And pepper. Some are gonna be a little peppered, more peppered than others. We're okay with that, right?
Yeah. It's an art. While you're doing that, I'm just gonna do a little Asian bias cut on the tops of the scallions here. We'll use this as our garnish, hopefully.
Okay.
It'll look nice and Asian. Okay, let's go ahead and turn them over.
Maybe you should get
I'll
some
get
tongs.
I got my own. Boom, boom.
Is it-
Oh, beautiful scallops.
Look at that, bro.
Beautiful
Look at
scallops.
that, bro. Flip them.
I don't need no tongs.
This is
I
broing
was
out.
born with tongs. Got it?
Natural tongs.
Beautiful.
We have 4 minutes on this side, maybe 2.
Maybe we're ready right now.
Oh,
So we're
0.
Going back in.
Are you gonna do a little?
You want me to flip it? You want to try it?
No.
No, okay.
That's
Let's give it a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up here, up here,
It
up
was
here.
just like Benihana's.
Boom. 7 minutes, 26 seconds. Nice work. And when I look at that, I think, okay, we got this garnish here, but we don't even need it. It's got good
A lot of green.
sheen, you know, sheen, like shine.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Caramelization, lots of color. Short and sweet, wouldn't you say?
I would. I love something short and sweet, easy to cook.
Yeah, nice. Thanks for helping out.
Thanks for
This is
having
our Kung Paleo shrimp and scallops. I'm Nikki Bro Chef. This is Libby DiBiase with Blue Water Pilates.
Yep.
And we're doing what we can to help you
Keep it paleo.